AirSaver F1 Cushioning System Cushion Wrap. The AirSaver F1 air cushioning system is designed to generate on-demand cushion wrap for all your void fill and bracing applications. Cushion wrap is ideal for securing and protecting your products during shipment. Its versatility allows them to be used in many applications. Here are examples of how AirSaver cushion wrap can be used. Cushioning absorbs impact and protects product when stacking in multiple layers. Wrapping covers product, protecting its surface from damage. Bracing stabilizes product and prevents movement. AirSaver provides a 12x16 cushion wrap film. The film is in a continuous line and is perforated every 16 inches, allowing you to use as much film as needed for each individual package. We also offer a 4x8, 5x8, 8x8, and 8x12 void fill air pillows for all your packaging needs. Unlike traditional packaging materials like peanuts, paper, or foam, the cushion wrap is stored flat on a roll until it is inflated and ready to use. This significantly reduces storage space and shipping costs. Just wrap your product, grab a box, place the wrapped product inside the box, and it's ready to be shipped. Cushion wrap is cleaner and easier to use and is the preferred packaging material of choice by today's consumers. The AirSaver cushion wrap can also be reused or recycled to minimize environmental impact. AirSaver is a brand and line of products that place major emphasis on ecological production and social responsibility. With every purchase of AirSaver products, a portion of the proceeds will be donated to support charities in the areas of environment, education, healthcare, and poverty. For more information, visit us at www.airsaverpack.com.